Welcome to my channel. How to reset ARRIS SURFboard router. 1. Locate the router. Find the ARRIS SURFboard router, typically near the main internet connection point. Ensure it's powered on. 2. Identify the reset button. Look for a small recessed button on the back or bottom of the router labeled reset. 3. Prepare a tool. Use a paperclip, pin, or similar object to press the reset button since it's recessed to prevent accidental presses. 4. Ensure power supply. Make sure the router is plugged in and has a stable power connection. The reset won't work if the router is not powered on. 5. Press the reset button. Insert the paperclip into the reset hole and press firmly. Hold the button down for about 10 to 30 seconds. 6. Wait for the router to reboot. Release the reset button and observe the router lights. It will power cycle, and the lights will start flashing during the reboot. 7. Confirm the reset. The router will return to its factory default settings. This may take a few minutes, and all custom configurations like Wi-Fi names or passwords will be erased. 8. Reconnect to the network. Use the default network name, SSID, and password found on the router's label to reconnect your devices. 9. Access the admin panel. Open a web browser. Enter the default IP address, e.g., 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.100.1, and log in using the default credentials, username, admin, password. Thank you for watching.